What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are installing my vanity sink. I picked this up yesterday and I am thrilled with how it came out. I think it looks awesome. But we are putting all the drain pieces and the faucets and stuff on now. That way we can set it down and we're not fighting with it in the vanity. So I'm gonna set up a little time lapse while we get this all set up, and then we'll run upstairs and put this in. It's really not crazy heavy for being fucking granite, right? I mean, it's heavy, but it's not like I lifted it by myself, you know?
Yeah, over the top.
Yeah. I'm gonna go first. Yep. Yep.
Just watch your faucets.
Yeah, don't scratch my nice handles. I wish. Oh, we can grab it right on the inner lip of the.
What?
There's enough of a lip to grab it here.
Okay.
Windowsill.
Oh, let me get in. Let me get in.
You go in first. Uh-oh.
All right.
Down.
Down.
Quarter of an inch too.
Down. Hold on. Down.
Down, quarter of an inch.
Up, 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 up. Up, 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 up.
Okay. Okay. Nice scratch.
Hold on, watch.
You gotta get your side up.
No, I gotta get my side down.
Oh, my hand.
Watch it. Watch it.
Scratch my nice new walls.
Yeah.
Is it more than a scratch? You want me to sit on it? Oh, there we go.
There you go.
Is that all the way back?
Yeah, don't. There you go. Look how tight that fucking thing is.
Yeah, we just cracked this.
Yeah, that's all right.
okay.
I'm gonna fix that with spackle. Hey, Brand, you see how this cabinet's sticking out like this?
Yeah.
You have three different.
Yeah, they're adjustable.
Yeah, so adjust that and get that in. Same thing with that one.
Yeah.
See that?
Yeah. I still gotta get knobs and stuff for this anyway, so that's another step
You
down the
got
road.
you got a towel?
Oh no,
What?
we gotta fix that.
No, it don't. It just turns. Inside there. It just turns.
That's gonna bother me if that logo is on an angle. All right, here's this. Let me go grab the splashes.
You got a towel?
A towel? You want a towel?
Oh, just to sit on the floor.
Yeah. I think this is out of your office when I showered there the other day. I brought it home to wash it.
Yeah. Ah.
Do you really want to see the splashes?
No.
I was just saying, 'cause then I gotta bring them back down or put them somewhere else.
Where is the? Okay, that's that. Where's this one?
Dad, is that back corner down all the way?
It looks like it is. Yeah, it's right on it, bro.
Oh, maybe it is.
It's right on it.
Huh. We took a chunk out of this. Holy
Yeah.
shit.
Where's a, give me a... Got a towel?
You're sitting on it.
What about a paper towel?
Paper towel, yeah. You want it wet?
That's your door piece, Brent.
Dad, you want it wet?
Yeah, please. Hey, Brent.
Hey, Dad.
These bands will cut with a pair of side cutters right there.
Oh, yeah. That's why Uncle Dan didn't understand what it looked like here.
No.
He thought we'd have to pull him down into the basement. That's not happening.
There's nothing. Just cut it with a pair of side cutters.
Yeah.
All right, I'm just gonna put it in the back corner.
Put what in the back corner?
All this
Garbage?
stuff.
Yeah, that's fine. I'll hit it with the vacuum later.
All right, so you got to get a pan, right?
Why, in case it's dripping?
In case it's dripping, and put it underneath here. Okay.
Yeah, but I have 2 valves under there. And just
Yeah,
turn the
but
water.
you just get a pan and you leave the pan under here
yeah.
for a couple weeks.
A couple
Right.
weeks, and I'm gonna find out today if it's dripping.
Yeah, but Brandon, if you're using it,
Yeah, but when I'm not using it, there's pressure in the lines. Dad, as soon as we fill the lines, there's going to be constant pressure in it.
yeah, but it's the trap here, Brandon. Grab that. Grab that turquoise.
You want me to hold it straight, right?
Yeah, don't worry about it. We're gonna.
Oh, you want me to take it out? Yeah.
You want that here? Let's do it right now. Give me a rod down
Where is it?
in the box and all of that metal.
Oh, it must
stuff.
be out there still. 1 second. George stole a plumbing today.
Yep.
Rod. Come on. Oh, there's no hole. There we go. Does the bend face out or in?
Huh? What do you got, friend?
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Oh, what's the matter?
I'm just trying to get it down in the hole and I'm hitting something. You hear that?
Yeah, you're hitting the side of it.
Yeah, well, how do I not hit that?
Do you have the what's it called, friend?
What?
A 9/16 wrench?
I can get one, but... is it definitely 9/16?
Yeah. Bring up a couple.
Maybe it's in that box? It might be in this box. 1 second. Yeah, right here. Here you go.
Next size.
Bigger or smaller?
Bigger. Where's your splash?
You want me to grab
Go
one?
grab a piece real quickly so I can. Where's it at?
In the garage.
Brad,
Yeah.
you need to get some matte black handles. They're too glossy.
You think so?
Yeah.
Well, they didn't have my black. These are like $1. Probably, right? I didn't even look. That's the back, Dad.
Okay. Okay.
Like I got both
Yeah,
sides
yeah,
here
yeah.
too.
See that? Put them over it.
Wait.
Yep.
Wait.
What?
Put that in the back. Is that wall to wall?
Yeah.
Okay, well then we gotta trim.
Got to trim them all.
We can't trim these.
Yeah, we can.
Yeah, but Dad, these are supposed to butt into each other.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and they cut them to. look, these are the same length as the front. So if you hold it with that space there, look at the overhang.
Yep, so put these in your car.
Bring them to them.
Put them and tell them, cut them down. Yep.
Just these small ones.
No, cut this down. Cut this down a little bit.
How much? It doesn't fit across the back right now?
3/16 of an inch.
It doesn't fit across the back right now.
No. 3/16. And then
These will butt right into it.
Yep.
These don't need to be cut. Oh, these do. These need to be cut the thickness of this.
Yep, and what is the polished side? Here's the polished side.
Yeah.
This is this side.
Well, it doesn't matter.
Yeah, it does. Yeah, it does.
Oh,
You got
yeah,
all
because
this
this corner,
polished.
they didn't finish this corner. Yep.
Okay.
What does that say?
Minus rear splash thickness.
Same here. Well, you would think they would know this.
Yeah, yeah. But you know what?
They measured the same thing and said, okay, here, here, here.
All right, I got a bolt.
Yeah, that's cool. I'm done. I'm done.
All right, take them with you.
All right, thanks, Dad.
Okay, no problem. Let me get home so I don't have to. Watch the top of that deck step.
The what? The mat. I'm gonna put a nail in it right now. I'm gonna drop these off tomorrow on my way down. Alright guys, so that is pretty much it. You probably saw, unless I cut it out, that these two, here I'll show you real quick. These two, when they make these drawers, I didn't think about it when I, come on, of course I can't get this out. There we go. When they make these drawers, they put the piece of wood here, and I don't know, where's my other screw? So this is one of them, but obviously if you look at it here, that screw's not long enough to get through and also grab the knob. So I should have grabbed a couple longer screws, really just two, for this drawer and that drawer, but slipped my mind. So that'll be something that I get probably tomorrow. But overall, I think it looks great. You guys probably saw us talking about the splashes. They didn't cut them the right length. They cut the two sides exactly from front to back and the back exactly from side to side. So obviously with all three together, you would have an overhang here, whatever the thickness of this. So it is what it is. I have a little bit of touch up from getting this in because it was super tight, but I love it and I am super happy with how it came out. I love all the colors in it. So now it is time to clean up, but I got water. I have all my drains set up. I have a little pan in there in case it does drip. That way I catch it before I flood my house. But I think, oh, also you can see where my dad drilled it because he wasn't paying attention. Thanks, Dad. But anyway, I think that is gonna wrap it up. If you guys have any questions or comments, definitely leave them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Either way, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.